Hey, hello everyone. Welcome to 30CAGR YouTube channel. Friends, in this video, we are going to discuss about some new features that we have introduced in our latest version 1.5, and the tool name is Trade Disk. So in case if you are visiting the channel for the first time, then bluechipalgos.com, this is the site where we host so many algo tools, and one such tool is Trade Disk that we are going to discuss today. And in case if you haven't subscribed to the channel, do subscribe and hit on bell icon. You're going to see a lot of interesting algo tools and strategies. Okay, so let's go to the tool. As I mentioned, this is a Trade Disk and the recent version is 1.5 that we have launched recently. We have taken the feedback from users for the last few months and introduced many one-click features that are absolutely required for professional option traders. But in case if you are new to the channel, you don't know what this tool is, we already have recorded a full-fledged tutorial, so you can watch that. Basically, Trade Disk is for option traders who would like to trade with strategies, multi-leg strategies like Iron Condor, Iron Fly and all. In just one click they can do a lot of adjustments which is not possible with the conventional broking terminals. Okay, so let's see what the new features that we have introduced along with existing features as well. This is the option chain. As you all know, you can choose any symbol that you want, and this is a paper mode. Disclaimer, this is not real-time trading. This is a paper mode for demonstration purpose. So let's say I would like to take an Iron Fly. So you can first select what are the legs that you want to choose. And once after you add all the legs to the entry section, you can individually enable the stop losses also in case if you require, and you can also change other parameters like product type or expiry date, whatever you want. And once after you finalize the parameters, you can just hit on place order button. Now the first change that we have done is we have added colors to the option chain to show your existing legs. Earlier it was not available, but this will phenomenally help in case if you want to do some adjustments after taking the initial positions. Let's say you want to add a few more calls or puts. Now you will be able to see what are the existing legs, right? So instead of taking the existing legs, probably you can add other legs from either call side or put side. So this is the first change that we have done. And then in the adjustment section there are a lot of changes that we have brought in. The first is now you can exit from the adjustment section as well. Earlier it was available only in the live positions, but now it is available in the adjustment section as well. That's because let's say you have the same position twice and you want to exit one position and have the second position as is. Now in the live positions it is not possible because all 150 is being shown in the same row. However, in the adjustment section you can exit one leg or one position and then have the other position as is. So you can have exits now in the adjustment section. And apart from that, we have given easy or one-click adjustments for strikes as well. Earlier, in case if you want to move this 23,400 strike to 23,500, you have to first select it under the adjustment section and then hit on shift strike, right? So if I hit on shift strike, you can see that the existing strike has been changed from 23,400 to 500. And even here also you can see that 23,400 we had two positions. One position is still there and the second position has been moved to 23,500. But this is a little painful because every time you had to first select the leg and then move it. So what we have given is we have given the buttons greater than, less than, and double greater than and double less than, so that you can change it with just one click. Okay, let's say now I want to move this from 23,500 to 23,550 for example. If I just hit on this button, you can see that the color has been changed from 23,500 to 23,550, and appropriately here also the shift has happened. If I hit on double greater than, then you can see from 550 in a split of a second it happened, it changed to 650. Okay, likewise you can also reduce the strikes also, single less than and double less than. So what this makes is this makes you to shift the positions in just one click. And that's not it. There are bulk adjustments also that you can do with just one click. This is really special, and I don't really think any other tool in India provides one click adjustments like this. For example, if you see, we have CE greater than, CE less than, CE double greater than, CE double less than at the bottom. So what this does is this will change the strike for all the call options that you have under the adjustment section. So I will sort the legs first of all by CE and PE. You can see there are 2 CEs and 3 PEs. Now what I'm going to do is I am going to change the strike, increase the strike of these 3 legs, 650, 300 and 400. These 3 strikes with just one click I am going to increase the strikes. You can see I have just hit on one button, and within a fraction of a second you can see that 650 has been changed to 700, 300 to 350 and 400 to 450. Appropriately here also in the option chain also colors have been changed accordingly. So these are like one click adjustments for bulk shifting. You can do it for PE, you can do it for CE. Again, in PE and CE you can do it for one strike shift or 2 strike shifts. It's totally up to you. You have a lot of options available and you can use it as per your requirement. And then we also of course have the custom shift strikes also. Let's say you want to move the strikes of 3 options. Okay, you can just choose whatever you want and then hit on shift strikes. So those 3 strikes only will be shifted as per your selection. Okay, so that option is already there in the previous version, and even now also it will continue. And then another important thing that we have done is to add options to increase and decrease the number of lots. Okay, so let's say you have one lot for all 5 positions, and you would like to add a few more. Okay, now you just have to hit on whatever positions that you want. Let's say we have one for all the legs. Now I want to increase it by one more for all the legs. Okay, so I will just enter here 1 and then hit on adjust quantity. You can see for all the legs, okay, it's a bulk adjustment again. You can see that the number of slots has been changed to 2. Now if I just enter 5 here, then you can see that it has been changed to 7. Okay, and you can also of course add from here also, but in terms of half or quarter and then 3/4. Okay, so let's say now we have 7 lots. If I hit on half quantity here, it will add 4 because half of 7 is 3.5. We will round it off and then we add 4 lots. Okay, so you can also do that. You can just make use of this add button. And in case if you want to exit also, you can do half exit. So let's say there are 7 positions, and if I hit on half, you can see that 4 positions are exited because half of 7 is 3.5. We will round it off to 4 and then 4 positions have been exited. So you can just play with the number of lots as well. And even with respect to stop loss also, we have added earlier, this option was not there. Now if you want to add the stop loss, let's say initially you have not placed, okay, in the previous version you cannot add the stop loss if you haven't placed initially in the entry section, but now that's not the case. If you want, you can add the stop loss, you can cancel the stop loss, do whatever you want, or even you can modify the stop loss also. Okay, let's say you this leg is running at 79 rupees and your stop loss is somewhere 70 rupees. If you want to change it to 75, all you have to do is just come edit, hit 75 here and then just say okay. Okay, so you can see that now the stop loss is 75. So you can just play with the stop losses as well. And then a few other details. Earlier P&L was not available in the adjustments, but we have added P&L. Please note that this P&L is with respect to the position, that particular position. Okay, and of course you also have the final P&L in the live positions. As I mentioned, if you have same strike 2 times, in the adjustment section P&L will be shown separately. However, in the live position it will be aggregated. And we also have added buy value and sell value for all the positions. And we also have moved the exit selected from trade settings to live position. So if you want to just select 2 legs and then hit on exit selected, then you can just exit those 2 legs. And of course you have exit all, update, reset, global P&L, auto exit time. Let's say at 310, if you want to exit, you can just give 310, or even the underlying exit. If Nifty reaches a particular level, high or low, you can give resistance and supports as per your analysis, and then once those levels are reached, it will exit all the positions. So yeah, all these new enhancements have been made to this trade disk version. In case if you haven't tried, try it out. It's free for 7 days. Just come to our website and you can register for free trial. You will get 7-day fully functional free trial. In case if you have any more questions, you can reach out to us or put it in the comment section. And if you haven't subscribed to the channel, do subscribe. Once again, I'm saying that it's very important to subscribe and get notifications about tools like this. These tools will greatly enhance your options trading success. Okay, so that's all we have for this video. And if you want to avail this tool, just WhatsApp us. We'll leave the number in the description. Thank you so much for watching and have a great day.